friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASUS TUF gaming capture box FHD120. So friend, ASUS showing off its second such product during CES in the shape of TUF gaming capture box FHD120. And friend, this should be a cheaper variant of its previously launched TUF gaming video capture box CU 4K30. And friend, it lacks of 4K even 1440p capabilities, but this is unlikely to be a problem for most gamers that would be using to stream their gaming session. It does not at least support 120Hz recording or 120 FPS if you prefer, which still puts in ahead of much of competition, assuming it will be competitively priced. And friend, ASUS changed the design quite a bit compared to the CU 4K30, and the FHD120 is more squared off but with pretending bits of the corner. And friend, the LED have also been moved to the TUF logo on the top of the device rather than being a light bar at the front of the device. And when the connectivity appears to be nigh on the identical, with both devices supporting a pair of HDMI 2.0 ports, although the FHD120 doesn't appear to support more than 60 FPS pass through above 1080p. And friend, both devices also have one USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 into 1 port, as known as USB 3.0 at 5 Gbps, and as well as a combo headset jack and a separate combo jack that can be connected to a gamepad. And friend, you obviously still need a PC to do the video compression, as the video is sent uncompressed from the FHD120 to the computer. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the CU 4K30 have an price MRP of $210. So friend, we are accepting this will be priced at $150 to $175. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.